Hello guys, so for this video I'm going to be talking about the manipulations you normally face in Nigerian social media. You understand? So first of all, you have influencers, then you have celebrities. I don't think influencers are the same thing as celebrities, because I think influencers are like um, small, as in let's say low level. You get celebrities are like, for example, I have Pella. Pella is just an influencer. Celebrities like Davido. You understand? So the consequence of following someone blindly um, is that the person can easily manipulate you. You understand? Manipulate you into doing what you don't want to do without assessing the risk involved in those things you want to do. Just following the person blindly. You understand? He's just like a court. Following someone blindly is just like entering a court. Okay, now for example, you can see people recommending um, platforms for trading, brokers, Ponzi schemes, your Ponzi games, all those crash games. You see the person staking, the person making money, and then you decide to fund the accounts, and then you end up losing the whole money because the system is rigged. You understand? Your influencers are being paid, your so-called celebrities are being paid to do those videos, and when they do those videos, they post it for you, and you being a follower, you end up losing your money and they end up gaining off you. You understand? So that's implications involved in following someone blind without doing your own research. So I'm making this video just to make you understand the consequences of the things you see online. Like um, when you tend to trust someone to that extent, the person ends up messing you up. And when the person messes you up, when you come to the person's post to complain about that stuff, you see people under your comments telling you that you are jealous of someone. How can you be jealous of an influencer that you don't know one on one, or you don't have any business with? Just you're just trusting the person as your mentor, so on and so forth. For instance, Davido, when Davido was advertising Rackstel, that Ponzi scheme, people were many people invested their money because it was Davido that advertised the platform without checking the risk management, without checking the consequences of the platform and so on and so forth. Then after some time, the system crashed, and the guy, up to today, the guy is nowhere to be found, and nobody is holding the video responsible for that post. Meanwhile, he influenced his followers to invest in that platform. So that's it, guys. The next video I'm going to be talking about how I lost over 2 million naira trading um, trading forex, following Habi Forex, popular Habi Forex.